Hey, what's going on, everyone? This is Aki here. Welcome to this TAGZMania review. We are going to be taking a close look at TAGZMania, and also, most importantly, I'll be revealing the high value custom bonuses that I'm giving away to get you the best outcome with TAGZMania. This is my bonus page, and you find the link to this page in the description of this video. TAGZMania goes live on the 28th of October by 9 a.m. Eastern Time. So this is a training, this is an info course, and this shows you how to drive traffic to ultimately make sales, whether you are selling your own product or you are promoting affiliate product. Now, TAGZMania shows you how to use the power of hashtags to drive traffic. Now, if you I've seen my videos on YouTube and you've seen other people's videos that do product reviews on YouTube, you are going to discover, or you're going to find out that, majority of us, we actually do use hashtags, even on YouTube videos. Now, YouTube is not the only platform, where you can actually use hashtags to drive traffic. There are so many social media platforms that actually allow you to use the power of hashtags to drive traffic. Of course, Instagram is one major one. Basically, even on TikTok, quite frankly, on Twitter, even Facebook. So these have actually become, tools that you can actually use to drive a ton of traffic. Now, how do you do this? How do you take advantage of the power of hashtags to drive this traffic to wherever it is you want to drive this traffic to? That is what TAGZMania is all about. And this has been put together by Dawud and also a couple of his students. Now, they go in depth into how to make use of these tools called tags to drive some traffic and ultimately make some sales and make some money with promoting products, be it your own product or be it affiliate product. So I'm going to let you see how this works in a short while, but right now I'm going to show you the custom bonuses that I am giving away to get you the best with TAGZMania. So the first bonus I'm going to be giving you software. This is a traffic tool that does not require you to create content. Rather, it allows you to use other people's videos. Now, you can actually hijack this traffic by placing links directly on these videos to any affiliate offer or basically any link you want to send people to. Now, you can create call to actions, which are going to show up on these videos. You can actually set when this actually shows up during the playback of the video to anyone watching that video. Now, you'll also be able to use call to action buttons. You can actually upload images and link out these images from these videos to any link. Even opt-in forms, you can actually put this on this video. So this is a complete tool that gives you access, allows you to use other people's content legally to drive a ton of traffic to your own affiliate offers and to build your list if that is what you want to do. Also, bonus number 2, I'm going to be showing you how to get paid creating videos without having to show your face on camera. Now, videos are one way, you can actually drive a lot of traffic and make a ton of sales online. So I'm going to be showing you how to use YouTube, for example, or in particular. You can actually use that platform. Now, you don't have to show your face on camera, because I understand so many people are not so comfortable, with showing their face on camera and stuff like that. But you can actually create content, and I'm also going to be showing you a number of ways you can actually do this to make money, without having to show your face on camera. You can promote affiliate products, and I'm going to be revealing those ways that allow you to make money without you having to show your face on camera. That's my bonus number 2. Bonus number 3, you're going to be getting access to a cloud-based software that allows you to drive a ton of traffic to done for you high quality ClickBank and Warrior Plus product reviews. Now, in the case of ClickBank, all you need to do is go and get your ClickBank affiliate ID, which is essentially your ClickBank username. Add it to your profile, save that, and then All this done for you, high quality product reviews, become active with your affiliate links, and this is one avenue that allows you to get paid without even doing any work. The same thing for Warrior Plus products. Now, these products have done for you bonuses, that actually incentivize people, which are actually visible on these sales pages, on these product review pages, and we actually incentivize people to actually take action. And this is the easiest way to get sales if you're going to be doing affiliate marketing. You don't need to do any work. Now you also get the opportunity to create unlimited campaigns using this cloud-based software. Also, you are going to be getting access to the pro version. Also, bonus number 4, you probably heard a number of times that if you are going to be sending anyone to your affiliate links, you shouldn't send them directly to your link, because that has a ton of disadvantages. First of all, even if you send them to that link and they purchase through you, you don't even know who purchased that product. You are going to get paid as an affiliate, but you don't even know who is this person that actually purchased your product. If you could actually recommend similar products to this person and make a lot of money from this same person or from this same group of people from time to time, which actually increases your revenue, per lead or per customer, so to speak. So the best thing to do is send them to a quiz page where you'll be able to build up their curiosity. They will need to give you their email addresses before they get redirected to that affiliate link, which if they bought now, you have their contacts. You can send them similar offers, and even if they don't buy, you still have their contact. You can do follow-up emails, and not only that, you can still send them similar offers in the future. So this allows you to build your list. You also get access to done for you lead magnets that you can just give away. Just give this away, and then people will need to give you their email addresses, and then they get redirected to your lead magnet or to your giveaway, and then you have their list. Since you know they're interested in this kind of stuff, you can actually promote similar offers to this list. Also, bonus number 5, you're going to be getting access to a training where I'm going to be showing you how to drive a ton of traffic from Quora. Quora is a question and answer platform where people come to ask questions that are actually bothering them. Now you are going to be in the position, to actually drive a ton of traffic, by answering these questions. But I'm going to show you how to do this, the best way to actually do this to get the best possible results using this method. Now, bonus number 6, you're going to be getting access to all the vendor bonuses. Now, the vendor bonuses are going to be waiting for you in the members area of TAGZMania. My own bonuses are going to be waiting for you in the members area of Warrior Plus. Now, once you click on any of the red buttons on this page, it's going to take you to the sales page, and that's how to actually claim these bonuses. Once you purchase, you find your bonuses in the members area of Warrior Plus. If you go to your purchases, you see TAGZMania, and then you find my own bonuses right next to it. Now, I'm going to take you to the sales page now, which looks like this. So here it says 10x your internet marketing results using the power of hashtags. Come check out the video presentation here. No followers needed, 8x main social media networks covered, which is pretty cool. You're getting up to 8 social media networks covered. No tech skills needed whatsoever, no website or list needed, suitable for complete beginners, even if you've never done that before. Full training video and so much more. Of course, this is in there. This is put together by Dawud Islam, Shelly Turner, and Ricardo Harvey. Come check this out anytime from 9 a.m. 28th of October once this goes live, and you're going to find full information, full demo here. I'm also going to let you see the full demo of TAGZMania in a short while. Now you are also going to find proof of results right here. This is coming from people who actually make a ton of money with affiliate marketing online. So TAGZMania teaches you how to drive free traffic, okay? So you don't even have to pay for traffic, and then you get a ton of bonuses also in the members area. So right now I'm going to take you to the pricing before I let you see how TAGZMania, I'm going to let you see the full demo of TAGZMania presented by Dawud himself. The front end of TAGZMania gives you access to the training, the full training, the in-depth training goes for a one-time fee of $9.95, which is pretty cool because this is low. and this gives you access to all training. Now there are some optional upgrades. The OTO number 1 is the TAGZMania or Links Mania that goes for 37, but you can decline and pick it up for 17. This shows you how to set up a landing page to use on sites that don't allow links on their platforms. I guess that don't allow affiliate links on their platform, and loads more social media site training and tips. And of course, I'm actually giving you access to software, that you can actually use if you are dealing with a platform, or social media that does not allow you to share affiliate links. You can actually share links from 0 to 1,000, which is my bonus number 4. All right, OTO number 2 is done for you. Bonus Mania, that goes for 97. You can decline and pick that up for 47. You get access to 3 done for you bonus pages sent to you by Dawud every week. This requires you to have commission Gorilla. Each page has review video, demo video, 5 to 10 bonuses delivered by the vendor, so you don't have to worry about creating your delivery pages. Also, just import and then you are good to go. OTO number 3 is Email Mania. Shelly Turner's intensive list building and email marketing training course, thorough and in-depth training with several hours of over-the-shoulder training instruction. This is highly recommended. OTO number 4 is Reseller Mania or Mania. You get reseller rights for TAGZMania. It allows you to sell this and keep 100% of commissions across the entire funnel. Final upgrade is become a beta tester for the Elite Academy. This goes for $997. If you're going to pay in 3 installmental payments, I think it's going to be $497. Become a beta tester for my new program, the Elite Academy, and join at less than half of the regular price. Benefits include guaranteed product launch with me, that's guaranteed product launch with Dawud, who is the vendor, and passive income at least twice a month from my sales rotators. So you get more information about this on the sales page. So that's it about TAGZMania. Right now, I'm going to let you see how this works. If you've got any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section below. Thank you for checking this out, and it's bye for now.
Hi folks, just a very quick demo here to show you the amount of value that you get inside TAGZMania. So as you can see, I'm here in the members area, and you've got my welcome, and underneath this you'll get the welcomes from both Shelley and from Nicaldo. Then we move on to the overview here from Nicaldo himself. There he is. And then you've got 2 very extensive modules of training, folks. So in the main module, you've got all the basic information about what hashtags are, how to use them for marketing, how to find them, and everything that you need in here, folks. There's loads of value, lots of hours of content and training in this main training section, and then we go into far more detail about each individual social media platform in here. So we've got some more introductory videos, and then we're going to go in detail, for example, about how to use Twitter hashtags. This lesson in its own is like 12 minutes long. Again, you've got hours of training in here. You've also got some resources in here, including free squeeze pages. Then we wrap everything up with a conclusion and all of your bonuses. You can find out how to get your bonuses here. Everything's explained, very easy to pick up, and if you missed any upgrades, you can also pick them up there. And there are also some unadvertised bonuses. So tons of content for a low price here, folks. You're talking about what, 2, 4, 6, 8, 11 video trainings in module 2, and 8 in module 1, plus you've got the overview and the welcomes. So well over 20 training videos in this course, folks. So we really do dive in very deep to make sure that you understand in full how you can really maximize the results that you'll get from all of the main social media platforms using the power of hashtags. and it really can 10 times your results if you use these effectively. So what are you waiting for, folks? Pick up a copy and start diving into this training straight away.